To get started with using a Skrill virtual card, you first need to create a Skrill account if you don't already have one. This involves going to the Skrill website, clicking on Sign Up, and following the registration process. Once you have a Skrill account, you can apply for a virtual card, which is a digital version of a prepaid card that can be used to make online payments. The Skrill virtual card is linked to your Skrill account balance, and you can use it to make purchases or pay for services online. Wherever MasterCard is accepted, to use your virtual card, simply go to the online store or website where you want to make a purchase, and select the MasterCard option as your payment method. You will then be asked to enter your virtual card details, which include the card number, expiration date, and security code. These details can be found in your Skrill account, under the virtual card section. Once you have entered your card details, you will be asked to confirm the payment, and the amount will be deducted from your Skrill account balance. One of the benefits of using a Skrill virtual card is that it provides an additional layer of security when making online payments. Because the virtual card is not linked to your actual bank account, you don't have to worry about your sensitive financial information being compromised. Additionally, you can set a specific limit on your virtual card, which helps to prevent unauthorized transactions. To manage your virtual card and track your transactions, you can log into your Skrill account and go to the virtual card section. From here, you can view your card balance, transaction history, and set limits on your card. You can also use the Skrill mobile app to manage your virtual card on the go. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you keep your virtual card details safe and secure, and never share them with anyone. You should also regularly review your transaction history to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions on your account. If you notice any suspicious activity, you should contact Skrill customer support immediately. Overall, using a Skrill virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make online payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your virtual card and enjoy a hassle-free online payment experience.